are here today inside this Pohnpei tourism. And we're so happy. So welcome, right?
It's a souvenir for you guys.
Thank you very much. We have our in charge here. Wow.
What's his name? What's his name?
Approachable.
Well, my name is Rayoni.
Rayoni.
Is entertaining.
Good afternoon, Miss Rione.
Hi, Casalelia.
Casalelia. Yeah, you can see it right there. Casalelia.
He's our vlogger in our
Let's
school.
welcome.
Wow.
And here you can see the display. I thought we're
Put in the YouTube.
I thought we are paying this one, but she said that it's free.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So I grabbed this non-model. What's this pamphlet, right?
Ledger
With-
Islands. Ledger Islands.
With their legendary Ledger Islands. Oh, they have also
already that mistake.
lots of pamphlets right here. So to our viewers, my goodness, come and visit Pohnpei.
They have the hotels, restaurants,
Mhm.
the list of.
Can you introduce Tay?
Oh, so here we have the hotels.
Hotels.
Pohnpei
Restaurants.
location, restaurants. Where we already went to Riverside, and
Mhm.
tonight we're going to. It's not
Sideway?
there. It's
Hideout? Highway?
Hideaway.
yeah, right. That one.
Mhm.
So welcome.
Thank you, Kiriso. Kasilele. Wow. So again, to our friends, thank you very much. So those who want to visit Pohnpei tourism,
Thank you.
yeah, it's here. Approachable officers and officers.
So you're going? Hopefully.
Yeah.
We'll be around.
Naka-video na. Naka-video na.
Okay.
I just quit. So, Miss Brianna, thank you very much.
Okay.
So, thank you
Same
very
view,
much.
same view.
Wow, Pohnpei tourism, approachable. Come and visit Pohnpei. Alright, see you guys. Thank you. Viewers, bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.
So they have here, beside tourism building.
Mo si Japan, no?
Unsay tawag ani?
Tang.
Tank, no? Armor car.
Armor
Oh, di ba?
tank, armor tank.
Tank man di armor car.
tank.
Woo! So, I think second World War, bro.
Oh, si Japan.
Yeah.
Hindi mo si Japan, no?
Woohoo!
Gamay ra gani ng machine, gamay ra gani.
Pero layo ra kay yung legendary ani sa non-madol.
Gamay ra gani yung mobile.
Alright, so thank you again. Another thank you we have here. My troops. Oh, troop. So, hello guys. This is again Pohnpei. We're here today, and this is our farewell party. Just done with our training seminar, or we call it workshop. So, to our viewers, Chuk family. Yeah, again, this is Pohnpei, and this is one of the resorts here. This resort is Hideaway. Hideaway, so interesting. So careful now because this is very, very slippery, man. Right here. Oh, it's a floating something here. Oh, what's the problem? Oh yeah, I recorded. Again. You can do fishing right here. Fishing! Woo. Yep. I don't know if they have crocodile right here or alligator. So this is one of the resorts here. I think what? Resorts or one of the restaurant? I don't know. Yeah, we'll follow up later. So I think there is channel over there. So that's it. We'll go and try to search more interesting spot here in Pohnpei. Okay, let's go. Right there. Yeah, let's go in.
Even with me, wanna mention everything. Simply me, one more day, one more time. I know what it would do. Maybe we should stay one more day.
So from here, only in Pohnpei.
Action happening at Bangro, but be here first. We're gonna do things differently. We're gonna hold back all the speeches and performances towards the end, but we're gonna have the food first. So you can get your food, keep networking amongst yourself. So first, I would like to thank Secretary Isaac for taking the time out of her very hectic schedule to join us this evening. And of course, my respects to all of you. I won't forget, of course, we're all here thanks to the big men above for the breath of life itself. So without further ado, I'd ask Jim from YAP to say the blessings for this evening.
Okay. Let's bow our heads in prayer. Prayer.
Amen.